Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Uthana AI for an honest review to see if it truly is the best AI for 3D character animation in 2025. Uthana presents itself as a powerful web-based platform that uses generative AI to turn your text or audio directly into high-quality 3D animations, and the promise is absolutely incredible for anyone who has ever struggled with complex animation software. Exploring the website, the positives are immediately clear. The technology aims to eliminate the need for expensive motion capture equipment and deep technical knowledge, making professional-looking 3D animation accessible to a much wider audience. They emphasize a user-friendly interface where you can easily customize your character and then generate animations on the fly, which sounds like a dream for rapid prototyping and storytelling. The potential for creativity is huge, allowing you to experiment with different actions and emotions quickly. However, it's crucial to look at the potential drawbacks. Uthana offers three main tiers. The Dreamer plan is free during the open beta and includes unlimited motion creation, auto-rigging, custom character uploads, access to a large motion library, and allows downloading up to 100 character seconds per month under a Creative Commons license. The Pro plan is a monthly subscription that includes all Dreamer features but increases the download limit to 600 seconds per month, allows for commercial use, and provides priority email support. Finally, the Studio plan offers customized solutions for teams with all Pro features plus team accounts, a dedicated Slack channel, API SDK access, data slicing tools, priority processing, and upcoming style transfer capabilities. Goodbye, my dear followers.